Green juices. Nobody told you about this. But you need to know what they do to your body. Can I tell you something almost nobody talks about? Green juices aren't just that fitness trend everyone thinks they are. Actually, they do things to your body that most people can't even imagine. Seriously, there are people suffering with bloating, unexplained fatigue, constipation, fluid retention, dull skin, slow digestion, and they keep trying to fix it with medicine, expensive supplements, 1,000 complicated diets. But they don't realize that sometimes a simple drink, made with ingredients you already have at home, can cleanse your body, speed up your metabolism, and give you your energy back in a natural and fast way. And here's the curious part. Most people say they don't like green juice without even knowing what it really does. Because once you understand why it works, everything changes. Chlorophyll, minerals, fiber, enzymes. They all work together like a well-tuned team to get your body functioning the way it's supposed to. And I'll be very direct. If you're trying to lose weight, improve your skin, have more energy, regulate your digestion, reduce cravings for junk food, or simply wake up feeling lighter, you've landed on the perfect video. Today I'm going to show you the real nutritional value of green juices, the 10 most powerful benefits, 2 hidden benefits, a simple and delicious recipe that anyone can make at home, and I'll prove to you beyond a doubt that green juice isn't a fad, it's a strategy. So stay with me until the end, because what you're about to discover here can change the way you take care of your health. If you're new here, go ahead and leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to receive all our natural tips. That helps us a lot to keep bringing you useful and accessible content. Nutritional value of green juices. Green juices combine ingredients such as kale, spinach, cucumber, ginger, mint, lemon, apple, carrot, flaxseed, chia, and much more. They are rich in chlorophyll, which oxygenates and purifies the blood. Soluble fiber, which regulates the intestines. Vitamins A, C, K, and B-complex vitamins. Magnesium, great for muscle relaxation. Potassium, ideal for reducing bloating. Calcium, essential for bones. Powerful antioxidants. Natural digestive enzymes. Detoxifying phytochemicals. This combination makes green juices one of the most complete preparations for health, energy, and longevity. The 10 incredible benefits for your health. Now that you understand the nutritional value of these powerful juices, it's time to move on to what truly turns green juices into such a powerful daily ritual. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 10 real, deep, and scientifically studied benefits, and some of them will definitely surprise you. First benefit: reduces bloating and eliminates fluid retention. Chlorophyll and minerals help the kidneys work better, quickly reducing swelling. Green juices contain potassium and other minerals that stimulate the kidneys to eliminate excess water and salt accumulated in the body. This makes you urinate more and reduces swelling in the legs, abdomen, and face. Many people notice a 60 to 80% reduction in bloating within the first 3 to 5 days of drinking green juice on an empty stomach. It's as if the body deflates in a natural and healthy way. People who suffer from fluid retention, especially before menstruation or from sitting for long periods, may lose 2 to 4 kilograms, 4.4 to 8.8 pounds, of retained fluid in the first 2 weeks. Second benefit: improves intestinal function. Fiber regulates bowel movements, reduces constipation, and improves gut microbiota. Green juices, especially when blended with the fiber, not strained, help the intestines work regularly. Fiber increases stool volume and makes elimination easier. In addition, fiber feeds the good bacteria in the gut, balancing gut flora and improving digestion overall. Within 5 to 7 days, people with constipation begin to notice improvement. Individuals with gas, bloating, or abdominal discomfort may experience a 50 to 70% reduction in these symptoms when drinking green juice daily. Third benefit: boosts physical and mental energy. Vitamins and minerals balance metabolism and increase vitality. Green juices are true nutrient bombs, rich in B-complex vitamins, vitamin C, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients help the body convert food into real energy. People who drink green juice regularly report a 50 to 70% increase in physical and mental energy within 3 to 4 weeks. You wake up more motivated, less sluggish, and more ready to get things done. Unlike coffee or energy drinks, this energy is natural and long-lasting, without spikes and crashes that leave you even more tired. Fourth benefit: detoxifies the liver. Ingredients like lemon, ginger, and kale help the liver eliminate toxins. Lemon, ginger, and green leaves, like kale and spinach, contain substances that activate special enzymes in the liver. These enzymes help clean the organ by eliminating accumulated toxins. Consuming green juice every day for 10 to 14 days can reduce liver fat by 30 to 40%, improving overall liver function. The results show up as clearer skin, fewer dark circles, more energy, and even improved mood, all because your liver starts working efficiently again. Fifth benefit: supports weight loss. Green juices reduce hunger, increase satiety, and boost metabolism. They are low in calories, yet rich in fiber and nutrients that keep you full for longer. This helps you eat less throughout the day, without that desperate hunger. Additionally, ingredients like ginger and lemon boost metabolism, helping your body burn more calories naturally. Drinking green juice in the morning can reduce your calorie intake by 25 to 35% throughout the day. People who include green juice with breakfast or before main meals lose weight 30 to 45% faster than those who don't, especially when paired with a balanced diet. Sixth benefit: improves skin and reduces acne. Internal cleansing reflects directly on skin health. When the body eliminates toxins, the skin shows it. Green juices help clean the body from the inside, reducing acne, oiliness, and skin inflammation. The vitamin C in green juices stimulates collagen production, making the skin firmer, more hydrated, and naturally glowing. Many people observe a 40 to 60% improvement in acne within 6 to 10 weeks. Antioxidants also protect the skin from premature aging, reducing wrinkles, dark spots, and fine lines with regular consumption. Seventh benefit: reduces inflammation in the body. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammatory processes. Green juices are packed with antioxidants that combat inflammation throughout the body. This helps reduce muscle pain, joint pain, and even chronic pain. Ingredients like ginger and mint have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, blocking substances that trigger inflammation. People with arthritis or frequent pain may experience a 35 to 55% reduction in pain within a few weeks. Lowering inflammation also helps prevent serious diseases such as diabetes, heart issues, and even some types of cancer. Eighth benefit: alkalizes the body. This reduces fatigue, pain, and increases physical endurance. Our bodies function best when pH levels are balanced. Green juices help alkalize the body, combating acidity caused by stress, poor diet, and pollution. When the body is more alkaline, you feel less tired, have fewer aches, and experience greater physical endurance. It's as if the body breathes better and works more efficiently. Athletes and active individuals report a 30 to 50% improvement in physical performance and muscle recovery when consuming green juices regularly. Ninth benefit: strengthens the immune system. Vitamin C plus chlorophyll plus antioxidants equals stronger immunity. Green juices combine powerful nutrients that strengthen the body's defense cells. Vitamin C, chlorophyll, and antioxidants work together to protect against viruses, bacteria, and infections. People who drink green juice daily may reduce the frequency of colds, flu, and other infections by 40 to 50% throughout the year. Those with low immunity, high stress levels, or who get sick frequently can greatly strengthen their bodies by adding green juice to their morning routine. 10th benefit: improves digestion. Ginger, mint, and leafy greens stimulate digestive enzymes. Green juices, especially those made with ginger and mint, stimulate the production of enzymes that help break down food more efficiently. This reduces that heavy, uncomfortable feeling in the stomach after meals. They also decrease gas, heartburn, and acid reflux, making the digestive system lighter and more efficient. Many people notice 60 to 80% improvement in digestive discomfort within 1 to 2 weeks. Those with slow digestion, gastritis, or irritable bowel syndrome can benefit greatly from drinking green juice before main meals. The 2 hidden and almost unknown benefits. Hidden benefit 1. Improves mental clarity and reduces brain fog. The oxygenation provided by chlorophyll and improved gut health boost focus and mental clarity. The chlorophyll in green juices enhances blood oxygenation, allowing the brain to receive more oxygen and function better. This increases focus, memory, and reasoning ability. Additionally, when the gut works well, the brain works better too. There's a direct connection between the gut and the brain, and green juices help improve that communication. People who struggle with brain fog, lack of concentration, or frequent forgetfulness may notice a 40 to 60% improvement in mental clarity within a few weeks. Hidden benefit 2. Reduces food anxiety and binge eating. The hormonal and digestive impact of green juices helps reduce cravings for sweets and carbs. Green juices help balance hunger hormones, like insulin and leptin, reducing that uncontrollable urge to eat sweets, bread, and junk food. The fiber and nutrients also keep blood sugar stable, preventing spikes and crashes that trigger emotional eating and binge episodes. People who struggle with sugar cravings or anxiety-driven eating may reduce these episodes by 50 to 70% when drinking green juice daily, especially in the morning. A simple recipe to use green juices every day. Now that you know the benefits of green juices, it's time to learn how to use this drink correctly in your daily routine. The way you prepare it directly influences nutrient absorption and flavor. Below, you'll learn a simple, delicious, and powerful way to include green juices in your everyday life. Energizing and detox green juice. Ingredients: 1 kale leaf, 1 small piece of ginger, 1/2 green apple, juice of 1/2 lemon, 1 cup of cold water, 1 tablespoon of chia or flaxseed. Instructions: wash the kale. Blend everything in a blender. If you want to maximize fiber intake, do not strain it. We've reached the end of this journey. Let's recap what we learned today. Green juices are one of the simplest and most natural ways to deeply nourish the body. They reduce bloating, cleanse, energize, balance hormones, improve digestion, strengthen the skin, reduce inflammation, and even help your mind function better. It's a small habit, but with a huge impact. When you include a green juice in your day, you're choosing vitality, mental clarity, lightness, and true health. It's like giving your body what it has been asking for all along. Keep taking care of yourself. Keep choosing what's best for your health. And remember, small choices create big transformations. Did you enjoy today's tips? Then leave your like if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications to keep receiving content like this. And tell me in the comments, are you planning to add green juice to your routine? Which city or state are you watching from? See you in the next video. A big hug, and take care.